Having backyard chickens these days is getting more and more expensive. Feeding them's another story altogether. Live out in the country, a lot of farmers around. Sometimes there's a road spill or a field spill. They got a whole bunch of corn spilled. They don't mind you cleaning that up for them. It's free. But also you can buy barrels of corn from the farmers where you have to dry it. But how do you granulate it? This is a simple little electric wood chipper. Totally useless as a wood chipper, but for granulating corn, as regular corn, right from the top. Perfect. So it takes kernels of corn that the chickens couldn't possibly eat and granulates it perfect. Super simple idea. I use this wood chipper also. I drilled a hole in the top here and I put pop cans in it, shredded for my castings for aluminum. All sorts of useful things for the electric wood chipper, but as a wood chipper, useless piece of equipment.